I don't and won't waste filament on something I don't need, such as a spectacles case or silly fidget toys that end up as clutter about the apartment. So to fulfill this homework assignment, I have designed a USB cable tidy that should prove, despite its simplicity, to be very useful when magnetically mounted on my tool chest. The design is parameterized and fully defined using constraints and dimensions where appropriate, and I've also incorporated plenty of extrusions, one of which uses a rectangular pattern. The video shows the 3 sketches used and all the extrusions in chronological order. Also, there are some screen captures of Octoprint progressing through a couple of layers on my Ender 3 original Mark I. And finally, a shot of the completed job in use.